All right, next on deck is this John Deere D110 and some little bit of a loud surging and knocking going on. Haven't decided exactly where it's coming from yet. If it's a carb issue or fuel filter, maybe it's not getting enough fuel or the carb setting's not right, the air mixture. Anyway, we'll figure out what's going on with the surging and when it occurs, when the PTO shaft comes on and off, how clean the deck is underneath. I'll look at all that, the fuel pump. I'll look at all that on this John Deere D110. Stay tuned.